Do you want to be able to add a credit card to your TikTok account? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So it is actually different if you use an iPhone or if you use an Android. On the Android device itself, you will probably be able to actually go into TikTok and then just automatically, or basically you will be able to add your payment method on the app itself. But if you don't have an Android, if you have an iPhone, then you cannot actually add a payment method on the app itself. You need to go through your settings on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So basically, firstly go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here. So now on your profile, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken here. We can just click on balance in here, as you can see. So click on balance. Just going to take us a couple of seconds, and then you can basically I'm just going to click on get here, where it says that I can purchase coins, as you can see. So let's say that I want to be able to get 20 coins. I can just click on get 30. Oh, I'm gonna get 34, as you can see. So I can just click on it down below in here. Let's see what it's going to be able to do in here. And yeah, as you can see, as I have an app, as I have an iPhone, I have to go through my app store, and that means that I have to actually add a payment method through my settings, just so you know, because I have an iPhone. But if you have an Android, you will be able to most likely add a payment method on the app itself, just so you know. But if you have an iPhone, you need to just close this page right here, close this page, and then go into your settings instead. And you need to come to this page right here and then click on your name up here, as you can see, all the way up here. So click on your name. And then on this page, what you're going to do is to click on a payment and shipping in here, as you can see. Most likely you need to verify with your Face ID, just so you know. And in here, you can actually add your credit card as payment method. So you can click on credit or debit card and then start filling out all the details in here, as you can see. So make sure that everything is correct. And when it's done, just click on done in the top right corner. Then you can just go back into your TikTok app, and then you can purchase whatever you want to be able to get on TikTok, obviously. And basically, if you have an iPhone, this is the exact way to actually add a credit card to TikTok, but you have to add it to your phone firstly, and then you can use it on TikTok. I hope that makes sense.